Hey, welcome back to Indirect Connection. This video is going to be on a headlight switch replacement. Last year for the No Name Nationals, Jay and I were driving around from Lamberts in Sikeston, Missouri, and cruising along in a car I haven't ever driven and had been sitting for 15 years. And it got dark outside, obviously, and all of a sudden the headlights went out. On these older Mopars, this pin right here is for the headlights, and it had melted out. When it did that, it also melted the plug in the dash. You see it's loose here. So I picked up a new plug and a new switch, and I'm going to replace it. Follow along. So in order to get these plugs out, this one I already pulled out, there is a little clip on the inside of the plastic housing that catches the back side of the plug. So I'm just going to do these one at a time so I don't mess them up. The flat end will go into the notch on this side. That's where it actually locks in. Here is the new plug or housing. You do one wire at a time, you will not mess them up, I hope. I might need both hands for this. She's locked right in. It actually locks pretty easily. It will make a little snapping sound, but when I get this one out, I'm going to clean it up and make sure that the connector is good. If not, I will take it off and replace it. That in there. Shove it in. Stab it through your finger. And pull it out. All right. So once you snap it, or push the, well, any kind of sharp object, honestly, in there, you just yank out. And basically it's reassembly the other way into the new socket. Also, when you pull these out of the old plastic sockets, make sure you use a tool and pull this little tab up, because that is how it locks into the new housing. Kind of like that. That way when you push it into the new plug, it locks in and can't come back out. On this last one, you can see how hot this thing got. So I'm going to have to cut this thing off. There's no way that's going to come out of the hole. All right, there we go. New non-melted plug is in. Once I get the rest of the cluster together, we'll be good to go. This is the old one. I had actually cut the side of this thing out because it had melted the housing so bad it wouldn't fit through the hole. But these housings are available. They're not, like, I think $20. And that way you don't have to rewire the whole car. We'll get the rest of the cluster back together and give her a test. Until then, keep following along. Subscribe to see the rest of the project. Have a good day.